New assignment, guys. This property's got to be checked out today. Got this property that we weren't anticipating to come onto the market. It did, and it's going to go to auction. Lock and load. All right, we're here. Doesn't look that bad, so let's get inside. Don't forget to look below into the detail section because this is being sold via auction. Also, click on the subscribe button. This way you can stay up to date for more opportunities. All right, outside the house, we have ourselves a private driveway. A pretty decent width, so all you gotta do is get past this, and then it opens up even wider, and it leads you towards your one-car garage. Can I get a hot tub? So we're at 185 North Grove Street. This is the house I was mentioning to you earlier. I did a quick walkthrough on the property. Now that I know what we're working with, I'm gonna take you in and give you the nicer tour. Massive living room upon entering, and then it brings us over here, and this is our dining room. Okay, when I walk into this kitchen, I can imagine that the way this was set up is the stove being right here, dishwasher, and then the fridge over on this end. You have the basement access and a second floor access to one bedroom. So ultimately what we have here is a 3-bedroom unit. Okay, let's take a look and see at what this little room upstairs is all about. And it's just a bedroom. Has a closet, there's a closet outside. There's nothing up here but just one room. One really long room. And whenever you come to see an REO property, you want to be prepared. So bring your flashlight. I brought a pretty decent one, so let's go down under. Anybody in the market for Colgate perfume? We're back at square one, so this is where we enter the building, and now we're gonna go up a flight of steps, and that takes us to unit number 2. Brings us right into the kitchen. So it appears to me like it was used as an eat-in kitchen. Come and take a look. All right, let's take a look at the living room. It's a pretty good size. I like the alcove. That being used as a bedroom makes this a 2-bedroom. So thanks for taking a tour of this REO opportunity. Be sure to check below for details because it is an auction. Also, click on the subscribe button for updates. I will see you back in the neighborhood.